Hey YouTubers, Madcap Toys fans, my name is Kathy, and today in this video we are going to unbox a box that we got in that we have not opened yet. We do know for a fact that there are some wrestling action figures, but like I said, we haven't looked it over, so we thought we would take a moment to share that with you today with ourselves. So Daren said, you know what, let's run a video today. He said, get off that computer for a minute, it's Friday, and let's see what we got in the box. So as he always says, you know, an item that is not listed is not yet sold. So as soon as we get done with this, I'll probably hop back on the computer and do a little bit of OT. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and do this. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed and a Madcapper. We would love to have you as part of the Madcap Toys family, and smash that bell for all notifications. Every single video that we upload, you're going to be the first to know. So see you in a few.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Madcap Toys. This is Daren with Madcap Toys. We're glad to have you. I'd like to welcome you, and I hope you enjoy this. This is another surprise unboxing. I've got in about 6 to 7, maybe 8 more orders, and I want to unbox each and every order with you. Of course, it's not all going to be today, but we want to show you some of the stuff that we get in. We get in large shipments, which we will never show because it'd take too much time, and I don't want to have an hour or 2 video to do that. And then we get single boxes in as well. This box that we got in today came from Mercari. It came from a seller, and I want to give him credit, named Cody Poe. And I'm thankful for this. We made a good deal on this. It's a box of wrestlers. I've already cut it open. All right, I'll just show you. And he did do a relatively good job boxing the action figures. Now, I don't know if Kathy is going to want to recycle this box. I doubt it because it looks pretty rough. And some of these guys are not as good as other wrestlers. But we got these basically for people like this guy. I think his name's Umaja. Let me get this out of here. All right, these guys on average are WWE's 7-inch basic line. Most of them I do believe is going to be from Jack Pacific. If they're not from Jack Pacific, they should be from Mattel. We got Kane. I'm not sure. I think this is Rhino.
Yeah, as far as King goes, that's a different version, right?
Yeah, they've got half a dozen versions. He's like taped up from battle damage or fighting, you know, injuries. Okay, this is the Big Show with about 200 pounds off his body. I don't know all these guys, because I'm not into the modern wrestlers. We just buy lots of them and we put them out there and sell them. We try to do a little bit of research.
Now, who's this one over here that you just put out?
I'm not sure who he is. Now, this one here is Sid Vicious. Right here, and he also has his little flipping device here, and it does not seem to work all the way. It's about like the Bionic Man. There you go. It does work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you guys know any of these names that we did not get, please put them in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you.
Yeah.
We always like when you guys correct us sometimes if we're not where it needs to be.
We never take it personal.
Exactly.
I think this is Daniel Bryant. Needs a little bit of cleaning up, touching up. I'm not sure about that one. They've had so many guys come in that the guy just doesn't know all of the new guys because they come in. They're not like the old guys, the Hogans, the Bundys, etc. They come in for a stint of 2 or 3 years, then they get released and go somewhere else like AEW or TNA. This guy here, I believe, is Dean Malenko.
Oh yeah, very nice. Full-time wrestler, but one that
I can't remember this Cowboy Bob Orton.
In the 80s.
Yeah. All right. And then here is the Undertaker.
Different version, probably
Different
a newer version.
That's like when he went to the biker deal for a while. You know how it is. All right, guys. These guys should probably range, I would say, from mid-90s to 2010. I'm not real sure. I haven't looked them over real good yet. We will be taking and trying to verify their dates and all the information that we need to do when we list them. We will be listing them in our eBay store. We will be listing them on Mercari for those of you that prefer to purchase from us on Mercari. If you love wrestlers, we have all kinds of wrestlers. We have the loose, which we call loosies like this. And we also have the mint in box and mint on card wrestlers. So be sure to check us out and let us know what you think of this video. Give us a thumbs up, smash that bell button so you get notified as soon as we put a video out like this. And don't forget to comment down below and let us know which ones you like, which ones you have in your collection, and what you'd like to see. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.
Oh, hey, before you do anything,
yeah.
What's on that t-shirt of yours, Darren?
Oh, it says it's a Lester thing. Oh,
they fainted.
Yeah. It's a Lester thing. You can get this at Mini Map Moo.
Designs at Zazzle. I'll put the link down below. And also, if your last name isn't Lester, we understand. You can actually, I designed that shirt myself at Mini Map Moo's Designs. It's something I own.
Right.
If you would like to have your own last name or someone else's last name put on there as a gift, you can actually customize it whenever you place an order.
Right. And again, guys, don't forget, we appreciate you. You have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. That really does help us out at this time. All right. Bye-bye.